something is off.
Look at what Edwin brought. He went to Coffeeholics this morning and got 6 of these. So 4 of them don't have ice and 2 of them have less ice, so we can drink them today. This will last us throughout half of the week. But, ta-da! This is the Dreamholics with ube drizzle and then no ice, so we can add the ice throughout the week. The boys are out for a walk right now, so it's just me. It's kind of yucky outside. It's been like this for the past, gosh, over a week now. I ordered some stuff off of Sephora, so I figured why not open them now when I'm by myself and I have some peace and quiet. So I got 4 different things, and I think 2 samples. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, yay! Okay, so I got 2 bottles of the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. So my hairstylist has got me hooked on this since, oh gosh, like 2017, 2018. And ever since then, I've been a loyal customer to Living Proof. So my hairstylist taught me this trick where people typically will use dry shampoo after like 1 or 2 days of not showering. And basically to make your hair actually not even get to the point of looking greasy at all is as soon as you're done taking a shower, your hair is dry, you styled it, that same day, spray it on and make sure you actually like, what is it called? What is this? Oh, massaging. Massage the products into your hair and make sure you get it good, because one time I went to go see my hairstylist and she was like, did you like paint or something? And I'm like, no, why? I was like, oh, and I realized she was looking down at my scalp and I put in dry shampoo. I just did not massage it into my scalp enough for it to like dissolve and activate and actually work. So that was a fail. So make sure you like massage it in, and it will get a little bit powdery, but it dissolves into your scalp and does all the work there. But anyways, this was on sale, I think for the price of 2. I didn't get it for the price of 1, but a little bit less than it would have been if I bought it separately. So this is like my holy grail. I love this stuff. The second thing I got was the Oribe, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, yeah, I think it's Oribe. Dry texturizing spray. I love the scent of this. If I'm not mistaken, I've had this like, gosh, 7 years ago, and it's just a little pricey. So well, let's spray some because I just blow dried my hair. So wait, hold on. Wait, why is it not working? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared. What's wrong with me? What the hell? Okay, this is not like... Okay, something is off. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. What the hell? That was a waste of a spray. Oh my gosh, it was stuck. I swear to you, it was just stuck for a little bit. Anyways, oh man. Yes, this smells good. I didn't get to put dry shampoo on. I will actually after this, after I film this part, but it's okay. This will give me some texture in my hair because I did blow dry it, so I do have a little bit of volume, but my hair kind of tends to run a little flat. So, smells good. Smells really good. And this actually, the scent of this one is pretty strong too. So some people think it's too strong. For me personally, I love it. So that's that. But yes, I got this. This works. I feel like I just wasted a whole spray for the air, but it is what it is. Oh, and then the last thing I got, physically like purchased, bought, is the Voluspa, what is this, home ambiance diffuser. I love Voluspa candles. Like, they just smell so delicious. And I think nowadays Nest is pretty popular too, but personally I haven't really smelled those. I should probably go into the store and smell them. But Voluspa, I just love. My friend, she got me hooked on them, so it's one of my favorite candles. This one is a diffuser, and The scent I got is the Goji Taroko. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Orange. And then there's the diffuser, and then it comes with leaves as well. It's a little bit pricey, but it does last a long time, and I got it on sale. All of these on sale. I think I got like 20% off. I know. Oh no, I just remembered that I ordered some other stuff. Okay, yeah, I thought this is it, but it's not it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in, I don't know, maybe the downstairs bathroom, but this thing smells so freaking good. I love all their candle scents. Well, I guess I shouldn't say all because I haven't smelled all of them, but all the ones I have, I just love. I can smell a little scent coming through on this one. Okay, and then the last thing I bought, this is truly the last one, is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I typically get the dark black. It's like the, yeah, very dark black one, but this one I got a dark brown instead, so trying to lighten up, not look so harsh. So I'm gonna try this for the first time. And then, where are my samples? They didn't send me my samples. What the heck? Okay, well I guess no samples for me, but then that, what the heck? I used my points. I'm gonna have to look back on my order and double check. But anyways, this is my haul. Look who just came back. Bronx! Is he coming? Oh, I see him. Hi, Bronx! Hi! Oh my gosh, I see your eye boogie. Hi! Get a hot towel. So cute.
그럼 머리는 놔둘까 그냥?
Whatever you want, babe.
I don't think I have time to do
Are
it.
you gonna wear a hat?
Yeah.
Well, then there's your answer. After every walk, he gets a hot towel massage. He is so spoiled. So cute though.
He waits for it.
He does. He patiently sits here and waits for his hot towel massage after every single walk. It's his thing. He just sits and waits. Good boy. You're so cute. Did he poo a lot or?
Yeah, pretty good amount.
I see. I bet it was mushy. Was okay?
Yeah, it's a little mushy.
Yeah. Hey. What you doing? Sleeping? It's cold. I have to be careful when I open this because wait, how do you even open this thing? Got it open. It smells so good. Smells fruity, tropical. Like a tropical vacation. Smells so good. So we had Din Tai Fung for dinner. This is the aftermath, but this is what we have left. We have some green beans and then some rice cakes, and that's it. Everything else has been consumed. Hello. Is this a massage house? Oh, now you want to come off? Oh gosh, Bronx, don't fall. Yes, sir. What are you asking for? You mad? He's mad because I'm not giving him my leg. Okay, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Here you go. You don't have to be upset. Look at your jowl. Oh, now you're gonna come. Look. Why are you so upset? Okay, come. Come. Here's my leg right here. Okay, lay down. Oh, you just farted. I heard that. Oh, gosh.